Go. Go. First and foremost, I would like to extend a warm welcome to everyone present here. To our very supportive Mayor, Honorable Manuel Winky Santiago. To our motherly Vice Mayor, Honorable Chizili Maratas, together with our SB members. Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Sanan Prasalo P. Puli. To our DepEd Cebu Province Education Program Supervisor and DOE and EPP, Dr. Jose Gary Arnapoles. To our Dynamic District Supervisor, Dr. Abby P. Barnes, Ma'am. To our supportive and multi-talented, the Principal 1 of Pilar National High School, Mrs. Amifel S. Fernandez, Madam. To the other secondary and elementary school heads, faculty and staffs, general today officials, headed by Mr. Rocky L. Morinaga. Barangay officials, to our guest speaker, proud parents, schoolmates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to one and all. Your presence is a testament to the support and love you have provided us throughout our journey. We are truly grateful for your unwavering encouragement and guidance. To our esteemed teachers and mentors, thank you for your dedication and commitment in imparting knowledge to us. You have shaped us into the individuals we are today, and we will forever be indebted to you. However, let us also remember to express gratitude to those who have supported us during our journey. Our families, who have showered us with unconditional love and unwavering support, deserve a special mention. They have been our pillars of strength, encouraging us in every step of the way. Tonight, let us also take a moment to thank them for their endless sacrifices and the profound impact they have had on our lives. To my fellow graduates, congratulations on successfully completing the significant chapter of our lives. Today is not just a ceremony. It is a celebration of how far we have come from various obstacles, faced sleepless nights to studying, and juggled multiple responsibilities. To my fellow grade 10 completers, especially to the people who made my junior high school life bearable and unforgettable, congratulations, we did it. This is a moment to take a deep breath, look back at how far we have come. We should be immensely proud of our accomplishments. We learned about responsibility, perseverance, and how to bounce back from failure. And I would like to share one of my favorite quotes by Taylor Swift. And I quote, "Hard things will happen to us. We will recover. We will learn from it. And as long as we are fortunate enough to be breathing, we will breathe in, breathe through, breathe deep, and breathe out." These words beautifully resonate with the essence of our journey as they remind us that challenges are not obstacles, but the opportunities for growth and resilience. So in this moment of celebration, where achievements are recognized and honored, is given to whom it is due. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to the another milestone of our lives. May we'll carry the values we have imbibed here: integrity, empathy, and a thirst for knowledge. Let us strive to make positive impact on the world around us, and never forget the power of education to change lives. I welcome you all to the 10th Moving Up ceremony of Pilar National High School for the academic year 2024-2025. Thank you, and may this Moving Up ceremony be the beginning of a remarkable journey for each and every one of us. Good evening. Thank you, Miss Bulabon, for that warm welcome. And now,